Hi there, this is Rajaul Karim from Hilltrack E-commerce solution. Now I am going to show you how can you implement this product bundle in your product page. I will use Kaching app so that which will help us to create this bundle. They have various types of option. I have used Bogo bundle pack, which is buy one get one free, buy two get three free, buy three get six free. Here you can see. Okay, if I open this, then you can see there is an option to choose variables, and then you can set everything. Now in the next part of this video, now I'm going to show you how can you implement this bundle in your product page. Let's get started. In my admin panel, admin, then I am going to install the app Kaching Bundles. Right, Kaching Kaching Bundles. Okay, here you can see Kaching Bundles. Just click on it. After that, you can see the pricing. I am in development store, so I don't need any trial or any pack. Here you can see there is starter pack, scale pack, pro pack, up to 1000 or additional revenue, unlimited bundle deals, features. You can see multiple layouts, endless customization, live chat, customer support. You can check all of this and you can choose which is perfect for you. You will get 7-day free trial. Okay, then install it. Okay, click on install. After that, click on choose plan and start 7-day free trial, and then click on approve. Once approved, it will redirect you to this page. Just click on create bundle deal, and here you can see various options, 6 different options. Okay, you can see the name, quantity breaks for the same product, buy X get Y, mm, BXGY deal, then quantity breaks for different products. Okay, then complete the bundle with various types of products. Then subscription, this for subscriptions, and then progressive gifts. Okay, I am going with this option. Okay, buy one get one free, or buy X get Y free. Okay, this is the option. Settings, you can see here is settings, style, volume, discount bundle with other products, countdown timer, subscriptions, checkbox, upsells, progressive gifts, sticky, add to cart. There are 3 bars. You can see here we have 3 bars. If we want, we can add or remove. Okay, if I add a bar, another bar, then it will add another. Okay, I'm going to delete this. 3 is fine. Okay, remove this bar. Okay, first of all, settings, you can name the bundle. It's only visible with you, so can you track, you can track your bundle, which bundle for which products. I am going to put the name test bundle. Then bundle block title, bundle and save, you can change it, or I am putting as is. Okay, discount name, which discount name do you want, to put? Now I'm putting the name, discount name is a special offer, okay. If I am going to select specific selected products, I will select my products. Okay, this is the product. Okay, fine. Then date, you can fix the date, or if you want to schedule it, you also can do it. Okay, if I have variants, then I will have to check it. You can see I have variants, and uh, customer will be able to check the check or select the variants. Okay, that's fine. If I click this skip cart and go to checkout directly, if I check on it, then it will directly go to the checkout page. Okay, that's fine. Here you can see this the style. You can choose which style you like. uh, you can play with this. I think this is fine. Corner radius, this is the radius. Okay, you can play with this. Cards bg, you can also change the card background color. You can see these are the cards, and the card color is this. If I change, it changed. If I selected bg, this is the selected background. If I change it, you can see it's also changed. Border color, you can see the borders, and if you change, the border color will be changed. Okay, then block title, if I change the block title, you can see it will be changed. Okay, that's it. Then label, you can see the bar text, you can also change the bar text. Bar title, if I change, you can see these are titles. Subtitle, okay, you can see the subtitles. Color change, you can play with this. I'm putting all the black here. Black are fine for me, and I'm also this text color black. Okay. Okay, then you can change the level background, its level, and I'm also giving it light green color. Okay, that's fine. Then I will not use this free shipping gift. I'm going to remove this from card number 3. Here you can see, you can edit the text, you can edit the quantity, percentage, everything you want you can change from here. You can see get one buy one, full price, percentage of amount of fixed price. You can see show whatever you like. Okay, I'm going with this. Okay, just then publish. Once published, I can see the preview on the product page. Okay, here is my product page, and you can see the product bundle. If you have if you don't have enough items in your stock, then the the bundle will not work. So I have out of stock, so it's showing this error. There is not enough items in our stock, please select a smaller bundle. Okay. Okay, if I can select, I can select the bundle, and I can select the variants.